वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज सोनिया हियर और आज हम करने वाले हैं रेजन एम्बेलिशमेंट्स के साथ मिक्स मीडिया आर्ट. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू ऑल्टर दिस टिन जार. सो दिस इज़ अ रियली ओल्ड वन एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन दिस आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सम टेक्सचर. सो इस प्रोजेक्ट में टेक्सचर देने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग माई टाकी टेप. यू गाइज मस्ट बी थिंकिंग सोनिया हैज़ गॉन क्रेजी, बट नॉट एट ऑल. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ़ यू गाइज हैव चेक्ड माई अर्लियर वीडियो जहाँ पे हमने टाकी टेप यूज़ करके और भी बहुत सारे टेक्सचर्स एंड एलिमेंट्स दिए थे. प्लीज़ डू चेक आउट आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. And of course, whatever the supplies I'm using in this tutorial are available on our website at www.growingcraft.com. Do check that, and of course you will see a lot of resin embellishments there. Amazing collection, and you can use this for your mixed media and your decoupage and even for your paper crafting projects. So we have a huge collection, and coming back to our project after the showcasing the resin embellishment. So of course यहाँ पे हमें stick करने के लिए चाहिए हमारा tacky tape. You can use any other adhesives also. So lid के ऊपर हम लगाने वाले हैं हमारा resin embellishment, and after that I'm going to make sure that I press this really well. So tacky tape लगाने के पहले you have to make sure that your base is really clean. It should not have any dust, otherwise your stuff is not going to stick really well on your base. Tacky tape stick करने के बाद you need to peel it off, peel the upper layer, and once you peel off the red layer, you will see that everything is transparent and it looks amazing. So yes, tacky tape is something which can also be used with your scrapbooking projects and your card making and whatnot. I love it when I get to use this for my decoupage and my mixed media art. So like I said, हम थोड़ा texture देने वाले हैं. So I'm just like quickly peeling off my tacky tape, and I'm doing this just because I want to make sure that I have a beautiful background to work on. अब texture देने के लिए you can use any of your elements. I love using my resin embellishments and they look absolutely gorgeous. Like I mentioned earlier in this video also, कि I am just going to do my work on the lid, and जो भी sides हैं I'm going to keep it as it is because we are just going to play around with the colors and the chalk paints and the metallic paints. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक फ्लोरल एंड बर्ड थीम में लिया है, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट आई स्टिक माई रेजिन एम्बेलिशमेंट्स. एट टाइम्स व्हेन यू गेट इट दे आर सो डेलिकेट दैट इट गेट्स डैमेज. एट टाइम्स वेयर इट इज नथिंग टू वरी, you can still stick it, use it, and they are good to go. So now after this, here I am going to use my gesso, and I am going to make sure that I apply this really well. So यहाँ पर हम use कर रहे हैं हमारा black gesso. Whatever the supplies I'm using are available on our website at growingcraft.com. I've just speed up the video because मैं सिर्फ black gesso लगा रही हूँ, and you guys know it very well how to use it. And of course black gesso लगाने के लिए here I'm using my Anukul brush, and I'm using my heat gun to dry this up really well. So dry up करने के लिए you will have to use your heat gun, otherwise this process is going to take very long time. So try to use your heat gun wisely and stick your embellishments and do your black gesso work properly. After my black gesso work, I just thought of using a beautiful shade of chalk paint, and trust me, I'm using this shade. You can check out our website. We have some amazing shades of chalk paint and they look absolutely gorgeous. So chalk paints लगाने का there is a very simple tip. Make sure आपका जो base gesso होता है वो अच्छे से dry हो जाए. Once your gesso has dried out completely, you can literally use your chalk paints like anything. And if you want to have good 2-3 coats of layer, you need to make sure that each layer has dried up really well. थोड़ा अपने प्रोसेस को स्पीड अप करने के लिए here I'm using my heat gun again, and you guys can see बहुत जल्दी ये हो जा रहा है. थोड़ा वीडियो स्पीड अप है, दैट्स ओके, बट येस विद अ हीट गन योर प्रोसेस बिकम्स much more faster and easier. Like I promised, I'm going to play around with my chalk paint. So यहाँ पे you can see me using my dry brush technique. What is dry brush technique? If you don't know that, check out our YouTube channel and you can check out that. Here I'm using one more shade of chalk paint, and इसको मैं अच्छे से use करने वाली हूँ मेरे sides के ऊपर, and you can see I'm going to use good 2-3 shades. So here I'm taking a whitish metallic shade, then I'm using my chalk paint, the matte one. So even in the chalk paint you can have different shades and the blending with your metallic and the matte one too. Please do use your chalk paints only because जब भी आप decoupage mixed media art करते हैं, chalk paints are going to give you the matte finish, and they are something which is going to last for longer time. So once I'm done with my matte chalk paint, then I'm going to use my metallic color on the top of my embellishments, and you will see that how nicely my embellishments are getting highlighted. Now अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा contrast चाहिए, you can go like and pick up some random dark color and you can use it. मुझे इसको थोड़ा और ज़्यादा metallic and थोड़ा rustic रखना था, that's why I'm going to use my metallic wax, and I'm using the pink shade of it, and trust me, this looks absolutely amazing and gorgeous. So थोड़ा और gold metallic wax use करने के बाद I am going to make sure that I seal this up with my varnish, and you can see how beautiful and gorgeous my box look. So इसी तरह से you can give a makeover to any of your old teen jars. Just use the massive embellishments and the chalk paints and the metallic waxes, and we are done. And this project already looks gorgeous and beautiful. So yes, इसको पूरा करने के बाद you have to make sure that you use your massive varnish. Good 2-3 coats of varnishes is what is very 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 important. Varnish से seal करने के बाद your project is done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and do check out our website www.growingcraft.com. Thank you and take care and bye bye.